and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be talking about how I secured my dream bags, where I copped them from, how much they were, all of that, give you a review, my honest opinion. Before anything else, I just want to say I love all 596 of y'all. As y'all know, I'm doing my road to 1,000 subs incrementally, and right now I'm almost at 600 subs. Let's go. When I started, I was at 60, so to have 100 times more a couple of months later, and it hasn't even been a full year yet, that's pretty impressive. But we're on the road to 1K. That being said, shout out to the subscribers of the week. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, sharing, engaging with my posts, supporting me the way that you do, watching my videos. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I cheated a little bit and I opened the package already and I've been wearing the bag, so some of you have already seen it, but I'm gonna be doing a review slash, I bought my dream bags. Shout out to me because I didn't use mommy and daddy's money, even though I could have. I wouldn't say, well, I am spoiled, but I just don't abuse it. Like, I'm pretty much like really independent. Like, all my sneakers, all my clothes, for the most part, I buy them. My parents do nice things for me occasionally, but for the most part, I take pleasure in being able to buy my own things from a materialistic standpoint and not rely on my parents or mommy and daddy's money per se. But the bag I'm about to show y'all is the Michael Kors Manhattan small bag. Funny story with this is, I saw this bag online and I really wanted it because I want to wear it for my birthday. It's like an early birthday present to myself. I ended up liking the small one too after mistakenly trying to order what's in this bag, and I'll show that to y'all in a second. But just to get up close and personal, this is the bag. It has, the leather's really nice, it's really colorful. The black, it's a bold statement. It comes with a dust bag. This is the inside of it. You can't really fit much in here, which is why I didn't really like this size. But small purses are like a really popular thing. You could wear it as a crossbody. You could wear it in the front like this. Or you could even wear it like this. This just feels stupid to me. I prefer it as a crossbody. I'm not even gonna hold you. But the MSRP for this was $298. You know me, I love a good promo code, okay? So I did not pay, this would have been $300 after tax. A little bit over $300 after tax. They were having a 50% off fall sale when I purchased it online, and then there was like another 20 or 30% off if you're a Michael Kors VIP. And I plan on, buying some other stuff. Like, there's some wallets that I want that I added to my wish list. I got my best friend a birthday gift off there. So, I've accumulated some Michael Kors VIP points. But this is the small version of the bag that I ordered thinking it was this bag, because I just got so excited after not being able to find it. People are selling it on Poshmark for way more than what it's worth. But I actually picked this up in the Michael Kors store at a location. They gave me a free gift. I'll show you the free gift that they gave me. It's just a little Michael Kors little travel thing. I high-key might use it to store away or keep the things that came with my new ring light, which I'm recording with. Shout out to my mom. Those loose pieces in here, those small pieces, like the clicker, I might put it in here, I'm not sure yet. I was kind of bummed it didn't come in a box, but here's the tissue paper. It has MK on it. This is the bag. And then this is the receipt. They thought it was a gift or whatever, but they put a receipt in a Michael Kors envelope. So This is called the Michael Kors Medium Sacho Manhattan bag. This is the bag that I was trying to order, and I ended up ordering this bag online instead because I'm a da-dun-da-dun. So the only real difference between these bags is, well, one, the price, obviously the size, and you see how this has like a satchel. This one does not. So you could rock it like this, or when you open it, I'm not, for obvious reasons, this is the handle. This is the dust bag that comes with it. It feels very nice, very, very nice. So there's a lot of room. There's a slot to put like your cards. I prefer this one much better in terms of like if I'm going outside. Let's talk about the MSRP. The MSRP is $358. That would have been damn near $400. But again, you know me, I'm always looking for a promo code. So I got this bag for less than the MSRP. I got it for what? How much did I pay for this? I paid $293 for this and some tax. So super savings. Again, Michael Kors VIP member, racked up some points, but it's a really cute bag. Again, if I had the handle on it or the strap, this is how I would wear it, but I'm lazy and I don't feel like taking it out, so you're seeing it styled both ways. But this is my dream bag. Honestly, I could have, well, they don't have like payment plans like Affirm or Quad Pay, but if I could have financed this bag and I didn't want to pay it all off like I did, like just buy it in one sitting, I probably would have, but I didn't have that option. So I just said, you know, it's my 23rd birthday coming up. I like the bag. I'm a splurge. And I bought this one mistakenly, and then I ended up falling in love with it because I don't really have, if you know me, I'm into book bags and like I don't like purses. So this was like, everyone knew I was serious when I was like, because I was like thirsty over this bag, like drooling. Everyone knew it was like, oh, Jakar likes a bag. Oh, she's probably gonna get it. And I got it. I got my babies. So, shout out to me. Be on the lookout for my next video. Probably a review about my ring light, which I'm using to record this video right now. I, you know, got up in close and personal with you. I have some clips of me assembling it and like just fooling around. So I'll give y'all my honest opinion of the ring light. Tell me what y'all think, and thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video.